Thinkific Learning Management System Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Thinkific Learning Management System. Links to the product are available in the description below. Thinkific is a powerful and flexible LMS platform designed for entrepreneurs, educators, and organizations looking to create and sell online courses. With a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customization options, Thinkific is ideal for both beginners and experienced course creators who want to provide high-quality learning experiences. One of the key features of Thinkific is its intuitive course builder, which allows you to create courses quickly and easily without any technical expertise. You can add videos, quizzes, assignments, and other multimedia content. And the platform supports a wide range of content types, including text, audio, and video, making it ideal for diverse learning styles. Additionally, Thinkific offers tools for creating engaging, interactive content, such as quizzes and surveys, helping to keep learners motivated and involved throughout the course. Thinkific also shines when it comes to branding and customization. You can fully brand your site with your own logos, colors, and custom domain, which allows you to create a professional and cohesive learning environment that aligns with your business or educational brand. The platform's design is modern and mobile-friendly, ensuring that learners can access courses seamlessly on any device. For those looking to sell their courses, Thinkific offers integrated payment solutions, including PayPal and Stripe, allowing you to easily monetize your content. The platform also includes built-in marketing tools, such as affiliate programs, email marketing integrations, and discount codes, which can help you attract and retain students. With excellent customer support, detailed analytics, and integrations with third-party tools like Zapier, Thinkific provides a complete solution for online course creators. Whether you're creating a few courses or managing a large-scale learning platform, Thinkific has the tools to scale your business. In conclusion, Thinkific is an exceptional LMS for course creators looking for an all-in-one platform that combines ease of use, customization, and powerful monetization tools. For more information, check out the links in the description below.